baits are not like the other ones. They just chase into everybody.
I'll just make a video here. Oh, somebody pooped right by us.
When they fly above your head here. Straight from the gullet.
Is that your bait?
One of them probably was.
Y'all using live bait or artificial? Croaker?
There. I got him flying around.
Yeah, I got some flying too. Come here, whitehead. Let me zoom in on you. There he is.
Yeah, I got a whitehead.
Well, they might. Wouldn't be the first time I got pooped on.
Two of them that time. I'll pay them. Oh, I like them too. I got him yanking. Oh, I won. Fighting. Brown pelicans and seagulls pooping all over the pier. I don't know what the white-headed ones are. Evidently, the Baptists are out and have some banana boats. And they must be having camp at the Baptist encampment. But there goes the boat pulling the banana boat, whatever a banana boat is. Those guys, they were cleaning fish, said they were feeding the kids to the sharks. Maybe they are. Having a baptismal service.
Yeah, baptismal service. Colored buildings are the Baptist encampment. And this is just a shot of looking from the East Bay Pier on the road that goes along the bay. Goes all the way over and back over, and there is Grassy Point, and that's where the Palacios River comes into the bay somewhere over there. I took Jim to see Jesus, and here he is taking pictures of Jesus so he can go back to Missouri and say, I saw Jesus.
Seen Jesus at the bay.
I saw Jesus in Palacios, Texas.